Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how I created this Valentine's Day makeup with two lip options, a glossy pink and a bold matte pink. Starting with Bare Glow Illuminating Moisture Balm all over my face, as I'll be using a matte foundation, however I still want a glow. Now for my very loved Corrector, just to brighten up the darkness underneath my eyes and on any discoloration and blemishes on my face. I love how instantly Corrector works. For foundation, I'm using Skin Longwear Fluid Powder, which is a liquid to powder formula, picking it up with my sheer powder brush and quickly buffing it on before it sets into a matte finish. How flawless does this make my skin look? Picking up my Intensive Skin Serum Concealer to bring a little more brightness under my eyes. Adding a little warmth to my face and neck with deep bronzer. I'm using a powder as the fluid powder foundation sits better with other powder products. To bring back the glow to my skin, I'll be using two highlighters, starting with Bronze Glow to give a little extra warmth, then taking Sunset Glow, which has a little bit more pink right on the apples of the cheeks. A really good tip if you want to carry the glow down to your body is to spritz a little Primer Plus 3-in-1 setting spray across your chest and shoulders and buff your highlighter through your décolletage and tops of your shoulders. For blusher, I'm using Mauve Over Luxe Matte Lipstick, which I'll also be using on my lips later on. A little spritz of setting spray, and let's move on to eyes. It's so important to start every eye makeup with a longwear eye base to make sure that everything stays in place and your eyeshadow colors really pop. Picking up taupe eyeshadow with the eye blender brush and buffing it through the crease of my eye and along the bottom lash line. Then going in with cocoa eyeshadow and a smaller brush to create a little more depth in the crease. Going in with damask ball shadow from the Stroke of Luck palette and pressing it all over the lid. Then back into cocoa eyeshadow with the precise eyeliner brush to create a shadow wing liner. A great tip is to create the wing with small strokes instead of pulling it out in one go, then softly extending the inner corner of my eye for a cat's eye effect. Of course, finishing off the look with Smokey Eye Mascara. Another pro tip is to push your lashes up as it's about to dry to get an extra lift. For my first glossy lip option, I'm using Cocoa Lip Liner to softly define, popping on a little Tahiti Pink Crush Shine Jelly Sticks, which can also be used on the cheeks for a dewy look, then topping it all off with Crystal Gloss, which gives a juicy finish to every lip. For a bolder matte option, I'm lining my lips and filling each corner with Bright Raspberry Lip Liner. This is going to give the lips more dimension. Then going in with Chocolate Lip Liner just along the edges for a little more depth. Lastly, popping Mauve Over Luxe Matte Lip through the centers of my lip and tapping it all in with my finger. And there you have it. This is my Valentine's Day inspired look. I hope you have a wonderful one and of course a beautiful day.